Hello students, this video is just a quick little bit of information to show you how we will be using the OneTab feature to operate through our Module 5, our Chapter 5 review activities and homework assignment, and making sure that we've got everything in one place, and it's going to be a nice, easy way for us to make sure that we've got all of our resources together and you guys can hop in and out of whatever those that you might want to use. So first of all, as mentioned in the instructions, we want to make sure that we are first taking the review quizzes before we move on to the homework assignment. Now, if you notice, when we have the quizzes link selected, that's going to pop up as a new tab that'll be open for you. And in class, we will be taking a live assignment, so you will not need a code. So that link will have the live assignment attached to it. You'll just click that and you'll be ready to go with your name in there. From there, you've got all these different options. I personally would suggest opening all of them, and you've got the notes from each lesson that we went through here, the in-class notes completed just like we saw in class. This is exactly what we did in class. And if you have hard copies of this, great. These are the digital copies, so you should have access to these anywhere that you can use your devices. And you'll be able to use these however you need. And you can open each one, like I mentioned, or if you know where the certain set of information is that you need, you can just go in and open that one specifically. So all of those are there for you. And again, notice you click on it, that'll pop up as an extra tab. You can close them at any time. And they will stay here on this shared OneTab, so you can reopen, come back if you need to check that out later. I've also linked my YouTube channel where we have all of the videos from this chapter. So we've got the geometry, they'll be labeled with this section. So you can notice, or you can check out the fact that all these notes are labeled with the section title as the videos are as well. So you've got the Geometry 5-4 Day 2, Geometry 5-4 Day 1, etc. So they'll always be labeled with the geometry first. We've got your cheat sheet here for your proof reasons. And then finally, you'll end with logging into your Alex account and then going ahead and completing the review assignment. So pretty easy to use once you get in there with the OneTab link and you are able to start opening up some tabs. It's pretty straightforward from there, so I think we'll be able to figure that out pretty quick, and this will be nice and seamless for us. So go ahead, get started, and please let me know if you have any questions or need anything.